auto. We're just gonna go ahead and put the harness on that one real quick. Zach, you wanna come out here? Alright, so I know for sure that these two are the headlight harnesses. And I believe what you can do is you can prong these ends here. But also maybe not here. So what we're gonna do.
That ain't the blinker or anything? That's actually the headlight?
Well, I don't know, I guess.
Because I know there's a couple of them.
Yeah, there's a few up here.
Let's go over here and check on the other side. Cause it's not... You're on ground. Oh yeah, you know that, right?
That one's got a problem. This one's got a problem. So we'll go here.
Why, do you get power there?
I'm trying to remember what this was. I believe maybe that these were the fog lights. Let me see the bumper plate.
Fake fog lights.
What would that be power for?
You said the lights are on?
Yeah. Alright.
You can ground it anywhere.
Yeah, we can ground it anywhere. So we got power on the left side here. Not there. There we go. So I'm gonna say we'll unwrap the harness here. This wire loom. Well, we lost it. We'll find it again. But I know it's just the second one from the second one from the left. Open the back of the harness just a little bit. There we go. So it is going to be that white and brown wire. So we're looking at the yellow wire here on this side. But just to confirm. Nope. If I can get the wires to my finger here, there we go.
So that's the wire you're gonna wire up to the headlights?
This is the, yep, the white and the brown on the passenger side, and then the yellow on the driver's side is what we're gonna tap into. And then for the ground, I honestly believe that maybe we can just tie both the grounds together and then ground it right to the string along the battery. That's gonna be our best bet. So the rear subframe through that plate through the unibody. So I mean, it takes a little bit of fabrication, but we'll do back the tape on this loom. I can find the end here.
Cut them and snip them and...
Thanks for the likes, guys.
Are they following my YouTube channel?
I have no idea. Hopefully.
Wicked Auto Works or Rusted Two Wrenches?
Yeah, I gave the channel a shout out and kind of let them know like where to find us. And so there we go. We're gonna cut this yellow wire. We got a little bit more to work with on this side, so we'll go. I don't know, like 3/4 of the way, I'll say. Get up around the area about where you want to strip back to. There you go. Pinch it off.
Look at that. Pinch it off.
Pinch it off, boy. A girl. There you go. Do the same thing on the passenger side here. There you go. Get it nice and warm. Let that. There you go.
Look at that.
that the white would be our positive here.
You gonna test it before you even...
Oh no.
Oh, you're going all the way?
Oh yeah. So we're gonna take this blue wire here, split it half and half. I find this is the best way to tie some wires together. And then what you're gonna wanna do is take one half, tie it together. And I mean, you're not gonna wanna do this on like your everyday daily driver or, you know, something that you care about.
Right.
You know, so we're gonna want to take the both split sides, then take and twist both of them together, just like that. You should have a pretty solid connection. I think what we'll do here is we'll take those trimmers wherever they went. Here we go. Cut just a little bit off of that. Here we go. Then again, you're gonna want to twist it back together again. Alrighty. Then what we'll do is we'll bend this over, take some of our electrical tape here.
Electrical tape is our favorite friend.
Well, it's our best friend in this scenario. So then we'll go back over again the same way, ensuring we have a good tight seal with the electrical tape on that wire.
Nothing beats a good tight seal.
So now what you're gonna want to do, come down here, see about how much you're gonna need there with that. Yeah, I say that'll work. So we'll cut it off, let's say right about here. Got all this much left to work with the other side here.
And tie those ones in.
Yep.
Some mint body work there. Okay, gonna test out the headlights there.
There we go, brother.
Are they both working?
Yeah. All right, so what we did here is we got them wired into the factory harness. And then we got just both drones tied up together here. Got it hooked to the battery. We're gonna find some sort of terminal so we can connect it and tighten it up underneath this bolt here. And we'll get everything taped up. And
Yeah, they're decently bright.
yeah, they are.
They'll work.
They'll work, yeah.
So the headlights are done.
Yep. So we got the headlights all wired in. Don't look at our ground there. You know, everything's fine. I'll go ahead and I'll put them on for you. We got everything taped up, everything mounted. We had to use a couple of our zip ties here, but you know, gotta do what we gotta do to make the tail work. Here we go, you know. Boom, headlights.
Yeah, not bad.
Now we don't have to go and tear up the other ones. We can sell them, what, 50, 60 bucks a piece?
Yep, sell the old headlights and the off-road vehicle build continues. So test the headlights out, take her for a little rip, and make sure they're good. And if they fall off, then we know that we can come back and do something else with them. But so far, she's getting there though. Power steering reservoir is about to go out, but oh well. We do have the muffler cut off. We're gonna finish doing the exhaust at some point. Put your hand over that. Nice. Off-road rig got new lights. What do you think about the lights?
Pretty good.
They're not
You can
bad.
at least see. You can't complain to a beater like that.
Is this thing a beater?
That's what we're basically turning it into because the engine's about to blow at any time.
Right.
Push forward.
Forward? What are we stuck on?
I don't know. Back up and get as much as you can and then we'll help forward.
Well, that worked. We got stuck there for a second, but now we're out. I think we got hung up more than stuck.